Let's learn this Ty Seagall song, Girlfriend. Starts out on E. We're doing an acoustic cowboy style. E, E, B, A, C, A, G, E. Yeah. And then that repeats, and then the only other part is, I guess you call it the refrain. She, B. I'm playing a bar chord, but you could just play it like you play an A. Just move your A shape up to the 4th fret. She down line, B, A, D, E, nothing, D, E, B. You play the with just a one finger A shape. She down line, D, E, D, E. Alright, that's how you play Girlfriend by Ty Seagall. Thanks for watching. Bye.